Hello everyone! In this video, we'll collect the chests from Peace Bell Tower. Now, teleport to Moonveil Peak. Go straight. Then turn right. Go up from the clutter in front. Turn right. There's the first chest. Keep going up. Turn left, walk over to the plank and turn right. Walk inside and go right. There's a chest ahead. Walk along the edge. Then, walk back and go to the left side. Go up. Walk to the wooden plank up ahead, then jump up to the roof. Jump up. Go left and walk on the stairs. There's a chest. Then go back. Now jump up to the top. There's a chest ahead. Then turn around and jump down. There's a mechanism ahead. Turn right. Open the chest. Then turn left and walk along the edge. There's a chest beneath the gap up ahead. Then jump up. Keep walking along the edge.
救命！有人吗？
Turn right and jump down a bit.
"救命！有人吗？
Turn left and you'll find a chest. Now turn right and jump down. There's a camp. Defeat them. Open the chest. Now turn right. There's a cave. Walk inside and shoot the vine. Then go outside. Go right. Go forward. There's a chest on the left. Now open the map. Teleport to Moonvale Peak.
Oh,
Turn right and go forward. Jump down. Jump under the small pond up ahead. There's a bear. Use Tai Chi to throw it onto the rock up ahead. Open the chest. Open the map. Teleport to Moonvale Peak.
救命！
Turn
有人
around.
吗？
Go right and jump down. There's a camp ahead. Turn around. Turn right. Jump onto the roof in front. Then go right. There's a chest. Turn left and jump down. Turn left. Go forward. Activate the mechanism. Then jump down and open the chest. Turn around. Jump to the bottom. There's a chest over there by the broken roof. Then turn left. As you can see, there's another chest ahead. Go forward. There's a camp ahead. Now turn around and jump over the fence. There's an injustice quest ahead, which include a chest. Just defeat them. Then you'll see the chest. Walk on the path ahead. Turn left. Turn right here, and you'll see a camp. Turn around and go forward. Jump on the hill ahead. Throw the bear on the rocks and you'll find the last chest. Now, let's check. You'll find you've collected all the chests from Peace Bell Tower.